Hey, we would like to send you a free gift. If you click on the link in our description and sign up for our mailing list, we'd be happy to send you one. Now here's the video. Hello, I'm Derek with Adobe Rock in Erta, Utah. We love rocks and we hate weeds, which is why we sell a variety of fabrics that can be used to prevent weeds from invading your landscape projects. All weed barrier fabric is not the same, so today I wanted to show you how ours is a little different from what you might find in a big chain store, and I've asked Bridger to help. This is a weed barrier that we picked up from one of the big chain stores. As you can see, calling it fabric is a bit generous. You can see through it, and it isn't very strong. The same store sells this roll of fabric and calls it commercial grade. The weeds that we have around here are strong and will likely work their way through either of these fabrics. Here's our weed barrier, which is noticeably stronger. It's an actual fabric that's been woven together and looks a lot like what you'd see on a trampoline. The weed fabric also has a side that's like flannel, which holds it to the ground and chokes the weeds out as they try to grow. But the strong weave does allow for water to flow through, so your established plants can continue to flourish without the competition of the weeds. We also carry a geotextile fabric that can be used as a weed barrier, as well as making pathways and roads stronger. And we carry a 45 mil pond liner for all your water features. Obviously, our weed barrier is not bulletproof, but you can barely find the 3 holes we put in this. But what about price? When purchased by the roll, the 2 fabrics we bought at the other store came out to 13 and 14 cents per square foot. If you purchase a full roll of our weed barrier, the cost comes to just 15 cents per square foot, while the geotextile is less than 10 cents. And if you don't need a full roll, just bring in your dimensions. We'll be happy to cut what you need for just a few cents more. Thanks for watching and learning with us today. Check out our channel for other helpful videos. And until next time, let us know if we can help rock your world.